Welcome back. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. I hope you understood the previous class, what I given, the topic, that is direct and indirect speech. So there we come to know the title, what is the definition of direct speech, actual word of the speaker. It is enclosed in inverted commas, whereas in indirect speech, only it is the summary part of the speaker. Okay, now we have so far completed simple present, how it is going to change in indirect speech, simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, simple past, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Okay, past perfect, past perfect. Now let us go for past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Now take this example. Raju said to Suresh, I had been watching a movie. First of all, you see either this example is given in which tense, in present or in past. Okay, you see, I had been watching a movie. Had been past perfect continuous. So change in indirect speech. Okay, past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, same. Now see, said to is going to change as told. So Raju told Suresh, Raju told Suresh, I had been watching a movie. Who is I? Raju. So Raju told Suresh, he had been watching a movie. He had been watching a movie. Now let us go for future tense. Future tense example. Future tense. I said, I shall win the game. I shall win the game. I shall win the game. You see once again the example. I said I shall win the game. Now change in indirect speech. I said that I shall. Shall is going to change as should. That I should win the game. That I should win the game. See the example once again. I said I shall win the game. I said that I should win the game. Next example that I prepared for you. See. He said, I will be, future continuous tense. I will be going to temple. I will be going to temple tomorrow. I will be going to temple tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to change as the next day or the following day. Okay. So he said I will be going to temple tomorrow. He said that indirect speech. He said that he will is going to change as would in the past. He would be going to temple. He would be going to temple. Tomorrow means what? The next day or the following day. Write down next day. He said that he would be going to temple. Tomorrow is going to change as next day. Next day. This is indirect speech. See this example once again. He said, I will be going to temple tomorrow. He said that he would be going to temple next day. Sita said, Sita said, I can play chess. I can play chess. Can is going to change as could. Okay, Sita said that she could play chess. What is direct speech? Sita said, I can play chess. Sita said that she could play chess. May is going to change as? First class given May is going to change as what? So based on that, let us take one more example. Raju said, I may become an engineer. I may become an engineer. Now, write down. Raju said that May is going to change as might. Raju said that he might become an engineer. May is going to change as might. So Raju said that he might become an engineer. Now some few examples from your grammar book. All this example I have prepared. Okay, one example. Rishi said, my brother may arrange okay. So my brother may arrange for the air ticket. Otherwise you write tickets. Now may, you see, may is going to change as might. Okay, Rishi said that his brother, my brother, whose brother? Rishi's brother. So his brother might arrange for the tickets. Now change in indirect speech. Raju said my brother may arrange for the air tickets. May is going to change as might. So Raju said that his brother might arrange for the air ticket. So far we have completed direct indirect speech. Okay, so remaining interrogative sentence and all that will come the further classes, which is, suppose if it is a part of your textual textbook, whatever the lesson it is, so we'll continue that. Almost all the topic we have covered, all the tenses. Hope you understand topic. Okay.